Hi everyone, today I'm going to share my experience to FIFA Museum Zurich. Subscribe to my channel for more vlogs like this. So to reach FIFA Museum, we have to reach Bahnhof Enge, Zurich, and it's just 2 minutes walk even if you walk damn slow. And just very important, you are not allowed to carry any of your belongings, even your water bottles. So this is the place where you can store your belongings safely. So once we reached the FIFA museum, we went to the counter. The thing is, we already purchased a Zurich pass, and the ticket of FIFA museum is inclusive in that. So we didn't have to separately purchase a ticket. So, but we have to exchange that barcode ticket along with the third pass. So once we entered inside the museum, so this is the museum's entry, and all the football lovers. Definitely, you should not miss this part. Although I am not an ardent football fan, I don't know anything about football. My husband has a lot of interest in it, and he insisted that he wanted to visit this museum. So, when you enter this place, you will be able to see all the history related to the FIFA museum, how they started, how they were conducting matches, tournaments all across the globe, and this one was a complete surprise to me. So when we enter inside the main arena, we can see lot of words written in almost all the languages of the world. I was so elated when I saw Tamil words here, me being a Tamil itself. I could not even believe that they wrote something in Tamil. Also, there were in Telugu, Hindi as well. So once we crossed this place, we entered into that gallery and we could see plenty of things which football lovers will actually be happy to see. There are a lot of things about history of the football matches happened. So we were visiting it from Germany, and my husband was particularly interested in German football history. I don't know. Maybe he considered himself as a German. Just kidding. But I am wondering why India was not taking an active part in football sports. I really wish I could see some history about India in football. This was one of the funny place. The reason is this place is actually allowing people to try football virtually. I thought we can go to this place for my kid, but they didn't allow. And these are all something self-explanatory. You can watch lot of movies, you can see the football history, the t-shirts they were using in each year, and their sponsors. So something the football lovers will be so happy and enthusiastic to look into. And I was wondering, FIFA is conducting women's football tournaments as well. So in this place, we actually went to this place. This was the only place my little kid felt so happy because she had options to play football. There were some 7 kicking games, and each kicking game is played for some few minutes. And my daughter was so happy to play this. She was too little to give a strong kick, but she tried her best and she was able to learn something. And after this visit, she developed some kind of interest in this football sports. And this place is something you should definitely not miss if you are traveling with a kid, especially. There were almost 7 games, and here this was the last game. This game should be played only last. Once this game is played, we can't continue playing here. You can try other games as many times as possible, but since there are lot of crowd, you must be leaving one gaming area as soon as possible because there will be a long queue formed if you don't. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching.